In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up crash detection on your iPhone 14. This safety feature can automatically contact emergency services if your iPhone detects a severe car crash. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. Under the Crash Detection section, make sure Call After Severe Crash is turned on. This feature is enabled by default on supported iPhone models, but you can verify that it's active or turn it on if needed. For the best experience, tap Set up Emergency Contacts in Health and add the people you want to be notified in an emergency. Once everything is set up, your iPhone will automatically display an alert if it detects a severe car crash. If you don't respond, it can contact emergency services and notify your emergency contacts. That's it. Now you know how to set up crash detection on your iPhone 14. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.